All right, so these are some globe string lights. I just got them pulled out here. They come in a box just like this. Also going to have your instructions, and then you get this cool bag that you could store them in when you're not using them. Also has an awesome little remote right here, and then it also has a controller here that is attached to the lights themselves. Now on here, it will tell you what each one does. You have 1 through 9. Different options on here. You have a steady on, an in-wave, sequential, a slow glow, a chasing flash, a slow fade, a twinkle flash, a combination, and then 9 is back to the off position. So I'll go ahead and turn these on real quick with the remote. As you can see, boom, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put these up outside and see what they look like. All right, so I've got these hung out here on the back porch on the fence here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the different effects. There's number 1, which is steady, of course, and then there's the next one, the next one there, another one here, sort of fades in and out, the next one, another one here, and that one's really fast. That one sort of slowly twinkles. We'll go back to this fast one, and I'll show you how you can control the speed on this. That's the fastest, of course. So we're going to go ahead and make this a little slower. All right, there we go. You can see all the different speeds, and then you can also adjust the brightness. You can dim these down some, and then that's the dimmest that they go. There's also a timer on here. You can set it for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours, or you can do it without a timer. So if you want to, you can put these on and then have them set for a timer. Overall, these look really nice. I'm very pleased with them. Once again, these are some globe lights, and these were sent to me to test out for free today by the manufacturer.